We are pleased to show you the 2023 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.